Have you ever wanted to hear the relaxing, ambient noises of the exotic vacation hotspots around the world, but are too poor to go outside? Ever wanted to listen to the soothing sounds of the ocean from the comfort of your own home? Well, now you can. When Nature Calls is a new hotline to satisfy all of your staycation needs. With just the push of a button, you can turn any room into one of many exotic environments. We have hundreds of sounds waiting to put you into the vacation of your dreams, only better. No more dealing with annoying things like packing or actually going somewhere. You can just sit back, relax, and enjoy your binaural vacation. Just call 1-800-555-3664 to listen to exotic environments such as a tropical rainforest, a soothing grassland, New York Stock Exchange, the soul-crushing media setting standards for beauty.
You must be free. You will never be free.
The sound of traffic in downtown New York, and many more for the low price of $1.95 per minute. Again, that's 1-800-555-3664. Call now.
For Sounds of the Forest, press 1. For Grasslands Ambience, press 2. For New York Stock Exchange, press 3. For Sounds of the Beach, press 4.